Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. I'll be taking you on this lovely dress. It's going to be an off-shoulder padded dress, and the base is going to be a 720-degree flare in 2 steps. I'm going to be using a lace material, mercury, and also gum stay and wadding in this tutorial. And the measurements we'll be needing are on the bust, the half length, the knee length, and the full length of our dress. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button. Also click the bell so as to get notifications for all our tutorials, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment box below. Don't forget we upload the cutting and the sewing of our tutorials separately. So if you're watching the cutting, there is need for you to watch the sewing, and if you're watching the sewing tutorial, there is need for you to also watch the cutting tutorial. So let's move on to the cutting table. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut out the front, and that's the half length. To get the half length, I'm folding my fabric using the bust measurement plus 8 divided by 4, and since it's padded, I'll need to add 2 inches. So that means I have 13 inches folded. That's bust plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 inches. I'm doing -6 for the off shoulder, -6, and the half length is 15 inches plus my seam allowance 16 inches. Under bust is 13, and my armhole of 8.5 inches. So now the 2 inches I added, I'll need to fold it to hide it first. I'll need to hide it first, then I'll take my measurements. The shoulder measurement is 14 inches divided by 2 is 7, and I'm going to subtract 1.5 inches from the shoulder. That means I have 5.5 inches. The bust 36, so plus 8 divided by 4, I have 11 inches. Now the under bust circumference, this is my under bust, so the under bust circumference measurement, that is 30 plus 8 divided by 4. 30 plus 8, that's 38. Then I have 9.5 inches. So I'm going to connect this. Okay, I'll come back to this. Then to complete the base of our dress, we've done this, and the base of the remaining part of the front, I'll be folding using the hip measurements of 38 plus 6 this time around, plus 6 divided by 4, and you can still go ahead with your plus 8 inches. You know, it's your seam allowance, so you can decide to add maybe 1.5 or 2 inches, still the same as your measurements plus 8 or plus 6 divided by 4. So I have 11 inches. Then the length, the half length is 15 inches. So from there, I'm going to get to the knee length of 36 inches. So I am adding 2 inches here. That's 38 inches. Then to take the waist measurement, the waist measurement is 32. 32 plus 6 divided by 4. I have 9.5 inches. And I have the hip plus 6 divided by 4. And of course, at the base, I'm going to subtract 1 inch from my 11. That's 10 inches. That's the remaining parts of the front. Right, the front is ready, and now we move to the back. Now the back. To the back folding, I folded the hip plus 8 divided by 4, and I added my zipper allowance of 2 inches. So you can easily hide the 2 inches first. Then you take the shoulder measurements divided by 2, then minus 1.5 inches. Then the bust measurement plus 8 divided by 4. The under bust circumference plus 8 divided by 4. The same thing with the waist, the hip, then minus 1 inch from whatever you have on the hip measurement. So I'm going to cut. So the length here is 36 inches and I added 2 inches, so it's still minus 6. Minus 6, the length is 36, but I made it 38 inches. So I need to slit this. Alright, then the neck design, you can leave it the way it is in case you want a straight material, a straight design, or then this depth of 6 if that is what you want. I'll still be bringing this down though. I'll bring it down to 9 inches. 9 inches, and I'll cut it out as a V shape, just to slant. Alright, so that's for the back. It's going to be the back. Then the front now. Alright, the front, I'll fold to cut out the padded part, and the nipple to nipple measurement is what I'll be using to fold. You can take your measurements. So from the measurements I have, the nipple to nipple measurement is 7 inches, so that's 3.5, and I'm folding 4 inches with my same allowance. This is 4 inches, so minus 6, I have the under bust of 13 inches. Then from under bust to nipple point is 3 inches, so 1, 2, 3, that's on 10. So now on the neck, I'll bring out the measurement of 3 inches. You can increase this if you want. And at the base, I'll bring down my 3.5 inches. So from the 3.5 straight to the under bust, then from the under bust to the nipple point, then from the nipple point back to my 3 inches, which is the neck design, and bringing out the depth for the front. You can still leave it the way it is. That's your choice. You can give it a shape you want. So I'm making this a sweetheart neck, and I'll be bringing down 7.5 inches here, and on the other side I'll measure 6.5 inches. So 6.5 to 7.5 inches. All that I have here, I'll be placing it on my mercury to cut out the lining. The mercury is going to serve as the lining. So this is what we have. There's the front and the base. This is the base. Alright, so let's move. Okay, this is the remaining part of the front. Now we'll move to the base of our dress. Now the 19 inches for the front, I'll be cutting out a full flay. I folded my fabric. That means my fabric is the 19 inches is going to be divided by 18. Divided by 8. That's 19 inches divided by 8, and I'll just approximate it to 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. So The same flare, I'll still be cutting another one. This will go for the front and the other one will go for the back, so that I can complete my 38 inches. So this is just for the front, and like I said, I need just 2.5 inches here. So I'm going to take the length. I'm going to take the length round and I'll cut. So it's just going to be the full length. Then you subtract the base part of it to get the length. Like I have the full length of my dress. The full length is 60 inches. 60 inches, and the knee length is 36 inches. So it means I need just 24 for this, which is the length. So the length is 24 inches. Wow. So I'll cut out the second part, but first I need to divide this. Right, so this is for the front, and I'll still cut another one for the back. So I'll just place this to get the back. Alright, so just like we did the first one, the second one, so this is the second step, and it's still 2.5 inches. It's just the length that is going to reduce here. The length is 10 inches. So I'm also going to cut two of this so that I can easily join it together. So I'll just place this to cut out the other side. So this is like the front. So I still need the back too. Still need the back. I'll just place it to cut the back. Then we'll place our material on the mercury to cut. Alright, the sleeve first. To fold my sleeve, I'll be using the round sleeve measurements, and that is 11 inches divided by 2. That's 5.5 inches plus 3. That means I'll be folding 8 inches. Round sleeve divided by 2 plus 3 inches. That's 8 for the folding. Alright, so I'm going to bring down my 4 inches. And on the main dress, we brought out the shoulder measurement of 5.5 front, 5.5 for the back. That's 11, that is 22 inches. 22 inches, the round shoulder measurement is 36 inches. So that means we have 14 inches left. Is an off shoulder dress. So to get the 14 inches, that means I have 7 inches on one sleeve, 7 inches on the other sleeve to complete my 14. And to get my 7 inches, that means I'll measure 3.5 inches. I'll add my seam allowance and make it 4 inches. So from my 4, I'll bring out my armhole. Then the round sleeve measurement of 11 inches divided by 2 is 5.5 plus my seam allowance, that's 6.5 inches. Then I'll bring it down to my 4 inches. So this is what I'm going to have. This can still be brought down in case you still want to bring it down to bring down the shoulder part of your sleeve. You can still bring it down as much as you want. So I'll just use this to cut out the other sleeve. Okay, to cut our mercury, the down parts of the front and the back, that's the full back, I'll be cutting just one piece, one for the back, and also the down parts of the front. I'll just place the material to cut just one mercury, but the rest, I have my half length, which is the padded area. I'm going to cut out 2 pieces for each. The flare as well, each of this flare, I'll be cutting 2 pieces of mercury, 2 pieces of mercury for this, also 2 pieces of mercury for this, 2 pieces of mercury. Save the back and the down parts of the front alone. Then the sleeve, I'm not going to cut out mercury for the sleeve of our dress, but the rest 2, but the front and the back is just one piece each. So all I need to do, just place your material. So this is going to be 1. This is just 1. This is for one of the fronts. Alright, so for this, so I'll continue like that. Steps, the front and the back. So I have here 1, this is for the front, and I'll also cut for the back, and also the second step of the flare, I'll cut out my peplum stay. So all you need to do is just place your material. You can use the mercury or the lace, so just place it just like what I have here. Alright, to cut out for the front and also for the back, the 2 steps. Alright, after that, the next thing I'm going to cut is the wadding. So I'll also be cutting out my wadding for the half length of the front. So just cut out, place your material to cut for each of it. And I'm cutting out a full wadding. So just place your material and then you're good. Alright, so as you can see, I have cutouts for the half length. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button. The next thing is going to be done in the sewing tutorial. So if you're watching the cutting, there is need for you to watch the sewing tutorial as well.